place after verb to be. So like question number 1, am I a student? Yeah. When you answer, yeah, am I a student? You answer, if you are a student, yes, I am. If you are not a student, no, I am not. You ask yourself. This question referring or means that you ask yourself, not ask somebody else. And second question, are you a fisherman? Yeah, or you can choose another jobs, yeah, another position, or another we can say another the nouns of the people to replace fisherman. Like when you ask somebody, are you Mr. A's son? Are you a good student? Are you a doctor? Yes. You can replace. Yeah, you can put the nouns. Yeah, put the nouns of the person's animal, a person, a job or position. Are you a fisherman? When you answer, yeah, when you ask somebody, are you a fisherman? If he or she is a fisherman, he or she answers the question, yes, I am. If he or she is not a fisherman or woman, the answer definitely is no, I am not. And question number 3, you ask a group of people because you want to know about their position, about their job, about their relations, yeah, of the family. So the question is, are they better? You ask somebody, you understand? You not ask directly to a group of people. You ask somebody else about a group of people. Are they better?